reaction video. You're not done cleaning up this mess. I'll take care of it later. You don't have to judge me. Dad, open the door right now. You know what? No! I'm done with this. I'm just gonna do one thing and then I'm done, alright? Alright. Oh my god. Oh wow. Alright, what's today's reaction video, Mr. Haunted Horse? I don't know. What? Hunt! How many times do I have to tell you? Do not invite me to Spaghetti!
Excuse you, but I am going to supply you with this reaction today, boy.
What is it? It's better. Let me guess. It's gonna only be one of your dumb videos.
Nope.
What is it?
I planned for a long time that I'm planning to revive.
What?
2013.
I never heard of.
It's something Nintendo related. Sorry.
Nintendo? Wait, did you just say Nintendo?
Yes, I did.
Then let's wait, but it's not gonna be reaction, crazy reaction, right?
If you want a crazy reaction, we can go at it.
No. This is more like a important news. Whatever. Roll title.
Maybe there was more to being king than just creative schemes. Music, money, meditation, these are just my favorite things. If I could remember all the reasons why I started this, pocket full of seeds, but can't remember where the garden is. As soon as I find it.
What is up here, hunters? It's me, Jeff Henderson. Alright, I know it's been a long time not doing reactions. I'm sorry, it's my mother. She's being a bitch, I don't know why. But, yeah. What are you calling me? Well, shut up! I'm not done yet right now. I wonder how it feels when actually moms get inside your room and wondering what you're doing. It doesn't matter what you really are doing, guys, but it matters that you are, like, at least doing something. But not the other way, if you know what I mean. Well, yeah. So what's today's reaction? That you said something about Nintendo.
My series that is coming soon is called Smash Heroes.
Haunted Horse never told me nothing about this.
It's not the final product, but it's a rough draft.
Alright.
Anything can be subject to change. I hope you enjoy it.
I already know. He already told me, by the way. But he didn't tell me anything about that I was going to be invited. What the heck happened to my what the heck? Says there, smash her. Well, guys, just after you go to the comments, start spamming why did I really put that? I'm going to ask you why. So yeah.
What have you done?
What have I done? What have you done? Go over there, back to your corner. Yeah, there we go. Thought so. Alright guys, today's reaction video. Bro, what? I messed up! I can't believe I messed up. I'm such... Put it right... No. Can't even put a reaction up there. Did Haunted Horse literally fix this? Does he not even know how to fix? No, he doesn't. I believe so.
Ask your boss then.
Alright, boss. Alright, guys. Yeah, today we're gonna react to Smasher. Actually, it's not Smasher, but it's called Super Heroes. Smash Heroes.
Smash Heroes.
Whatever. I don't care. I hope it's good though. There will be an update coming, guys. I know that I was not posting, but there is videos that I have not uploaded yet. So today we're gonna watch a Nintendo reaction video. Yes. Look at that. It's on blue. It's literally on blue. Shouldn't do blue and red in the same time. Alright, you're gonna be up there. Because I'm gonna block this after. Yeah, there we go. Alright, because my screen is too small. I don't like small screens. Wait, what's that there? Match. You know what? Yeah, whatever. Smash her. Let's leave it like that. Yeah. So, today's reaction video is, Smash Heroes opening. Yeah. And, yeah. What is the first thing we do? Smash Adrian?
Oh, really? You want to know know something?
What?
Leave a like, leave comments below, and subscribe to my channel.
Wow, he's learning. Alright. No, just no. No. No, you're talking to the wrong character right now to say that.
Yeah, who cares really? After all, this is not the final product.
Oh god. Yeah guys, by the way, you can't really find this video. So, yeah.
I'll leave a link in the description below.
Yeah, we're gonna leave a link. I don't think you guys can find this video. It's on, I don't know how to explain this, but it's on. Make sure you leave a nice comment. Nice. Oh, what the heck? Can you actually see the screen? I think you could, obviously in Skype. Obviously you can see the screen.
Mm-hmm, definitely.
Make sure you leave a nice comment. I'm gonna put it in the description below for you guys, and you guys are gonna watch it. Yeah, you are. So, let's see, I don't know what all this whole Smash U is all about. It's a series that he was planning. He can explain it at the end, if he wants to.
Explain more.
Alright, so are you gonna be in this reaction? You wanna do this? Or you wanna...
Oh.
What is up, guys? Yes, Adrian is not gonna be here, and I decided to make the screen big. So yeah, he'll be in the end of the video. After this reaction, he'll be there explaining what is going on with this. I don't know what's so interesting about this video. Well, maybe I'll find out. So it's gonna be about Super Smash Bros. Literally, almost a half version of Super Smash Bros. But I don't know until we find out. But first, make sure you watch the original video for yourselves, alright? Look. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment below. I already put my nice there. And yeah, the video will be in the description below. Check it out. You're not gonna, well, I'm not gonna get there. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Oh my god, look at that beautiful. Oh my god, look at all those characters. Oh yes, look at all them. Oh, what? Oh, I remember that sunset. What? Oh my god! Oh my god, it's Fox. Hello. Oh, what's Mike? Oh, Sonic, Mario. Link. Yeah. What's up, man? Oh my god, wow. It was good. Big man. Yeah. I forgot the name of this. What's the name? I forgot. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's crazy. Saitama. Oh, God, I'm not too low. That's it, Oh my god! Oh my god, it looks so awesome! What was that? What was that ending? That was so funny. Well, now it's back to Adrian.
Okay. Long ago, it used to be called something else. I had 3 episodes on it. It wasn't animated. It was more like a plushie video similar to that SML. But it actually got taken down due to many copyrights and such. Even though I have done stolen content, which I will admit I was doing something wrong back then. But I plan on reviving it one of these days. But I cannot do this all by myself. I need help. I need a bunch of voice actors. I need animators. I need storyboard writers. I need a lot of that, and it will be very appreciative if I can get more support on this fan-made series that I always dream of making. Hopefully to bring this into reality. If you like the video, like I said before, once he provides the link in the description below, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you, Jeff Henderson.
What happened? I missed it. What happened? Oh! Alright! That speech is over. Got lame. I don't know why. Alright, so... hope you guys liked it.
Wait, I forgot one more thing.
Oh, God.
Sorry, excuse me for my short term of memory loss.
Oh!
I'll say that there will not just be Nintendo characters only, but there will be other characters too, and some of them you can leave in the links below, since I'll be checking his video. You can leave me any character you like, from anything really, and I'll consider it to see if they suit well. And I'll do anything. Maybe some made up characters. Hint, hint. One character that's right here that I'm with right now. Wink, wink. It's actually featured in the opening. Just not hinted automatically.
Yeah.
Anyways, you do your opening now, Mr. Jeff.
How much videos are well, guys, if you guys enjoyed that Nintendo, what the heck, Nintendo reaction video, that is Super Smash Heroes, then make sure you guys leave a like, comment below. Please tell me what you guys really think about it. This channel is going downhill, so
And if you'd like to help it out, leave a comment below. I will gladly appreciate it. And if you serve any role, if you have any ideas for which characters you want in your
fight yellow! Make sure you Adrian Smash is gonna be around the comments, these comments right here. I'm not sure, but let's see if he's gonna be around there. Alright, he's gonna be around these comments right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hate on me. This is not my fault. Don't blame me. This is not my fault. Alright? Alright? Do you hear me? This is not my fault!
Everyone will hear you once you upload this. Hashtag breaking the fourth wall, boys.
Yeah, sure, whatever. So you guys hear me? I know you guys are gonna help me. So don't blame me, blame Adrian Smash. Don't hate me, hate Adrian Smash. But the series looks good. The series looks good though. I'm not gonna lie. But just by looking at this, it looks way more epic in the way how you can about to expect it though. But that's fine with me. You guys may not know how you're gonna expect it, but let's find out. Alright? Alright, so, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this reaction video. Remember, I messed up. Let me get some knowledge. Yeah, this knowledge book. So, yeah, remember, stay